folks, I am Sayantani Goswami. I have been working into software testing domain in automation for nearly 2.5 years now. I am currently employed at Mulia as an SDIT. During this professional tenure, I have had the opportunity of working on several automation frameworks. As an automation tester, we know the first task which comes to us is in the form of scripting, and it definitely requires the usage of locators. When I began my journey as an QA, I used to write XPath without the aid of any tool, which was time consuming. Later, I came across XPath and SelectorsHub tool. So today, I'm going to share my experience of using SelectorsHub tool. It is one of the most user-friendly and a hassle-free tool when it comes to framing of XPath and CSS. If you ask me how often do I use it, it's an everyday partner for me in my professional day-to-day activities. And I think this would be agreed by most of us in our QA community who are into automation and who are using SelectorsHub religiously. It has definitely reduced my time of scripting to nearly 80%. If you ask me what is the most likable feature in SelectorsHub, I would definitely say it is the suggested XPath which comes. It definitely reduces the time. Either we can choose to use it or we can customize it according to our own need. And the most important help I have got is because it supports the iframe and a proper error messages it throws when there are certain elements missing in my XPath. These are my personal favorite features because this has actually helped me in my career so far. I would suggest every tester who are into automation or who aspire to be an automation tester, please start using SelectorsHub tool. Why? It is user-friendly, it is hassle-free, it's just a plugin to your browser, and it will definitely reduce your time of scripting to a huge extent. Lastly, I would like to thank you Sanjay for allowing me to share my experience of using SelectorsHub with our QA community. Thank you.